In this video, we will try to do yard work with a cordless miter saw. First, we will start with a quick introduction. This is a Craftsman V20 Cordless Sliding Miter Saw model CMC S714M1. The dust bag is inserted into the dust port. The blade on this saw is 7 1/4 inches or 18.42 centimeters. The battery is inserted into the tool. The battery used in this video is a 20-volt, 4-amp-hour lithium-ion Craftsman battery. This saw weighs about 21 pounds or 9.5 kilograms with the battery. A 7 1/4 40-tooth carbide tip blade was included with this saw. I wanted to try to use a miter saw as an alternative to cutting long stems or branches in the yard. Prior to using the saw, I would make initial cuts with the chainsaw or reciprocating saw. Once the long stem or branches dropped to the ground, I would then use the same saw to cut them into smaller pieces. This approach worked fine, except that I would need to set the long pieces above the ground so the chain or blade does not cut into the rocks or soil. Another consideration is that since I used an electric chainsaw, cutting the smaller pieces used additional power from that battery. I did this initial test with Bamboo and Areca palms. This view demonstrates how the bamboo was initially cut with the electric chainsaw. Both of these plants are in abundance and very lengthy when cut down. When I cut them down, I would like them to be in smaller, more portable pieces. Some of the bamboo has been cut down in a remote location, so it did have time to dry. The smaller blade and light weight make the tool itself portable enough to set up near where the cut pieces have fallen. As expected, the bamboo cut very easily. The saw will allow the bamboo to be cut into smaller and lighter pieces. This in turn will allow the bamboo to be easily moved out of the location. This is a simple accomplishment, but when multiplied many times, this will really make an impact with yard maintenance. It will also extend the battery life of the chainsaw, which is initially used to cut the bamboo. Here are more examples of bamboo being cut. The saw will cut stems or branches to about 3 inches or 7.62 centimeters in diameter. The battery is rated for hundreds of cuts in small thin board. During the test, it easily worked over 100 cuts into 2 to 3 inch stems and branches on a single charge. Again, this will allow the bamboo to be cut into smaller and lighter pieces easily to be moved out of the location. This demonstrates how the Eureka palm was initially cut with the electric chainsaw. In this view, a lopper was used to remove a branching stem growing from the Eureka palm. Although the cut stem of the palm was very long, the saw made quick work of cutting it. Like the bamboo, when multiplied many times, this will make yard maintenance with long branches, stems, or trucks a lot easier. And although it's an unconventional use of a miter saw, I thought it would be worth sharing. Thank you for watching.